Spruce trees are incredibly important, used from everything from paper production to boat building. Ips typographus, or the 8-toothed spruce bark beetle, is the most destructive pest of spruce trees across Europe. It's vital that the beetle is restricted to protect this industry and our woodlands. That's where UK woodland owners and managers can help by being vigilant and protecting their land from this pest through active woodland management.
The evidence collected to date shows that Ips typographus is capable of crossing over the channel from these significant outbreaks in France and Belgium. At the moment, there's no evidence of inter-UK spread. When establishing a new site, the beetles are looking for trees that can't defend themselves. Anywhere where the bark is still alive, but the tree is functionally dead. They can't draw up very much water, they can't defend themselves. Once you have a tree ready for inspection, typically you'd be looking for entrance and exit holes. These will be 2 to 3 millimeters diameter. Around that, you can then take a large bark panel, looking for the diagnostic galleries that Ips typographus creates as it breeds. The galleries are really distinctive. They always have these 2 to 3 straight galleries running up and down the tree, which are created by the females, and then from that, at a right angle, you have the larvae, which radiate across the tree. After they've hibernated over winter, they'll emerge in spring, usually when temperatures begin to hit at least 20 degrees Celsius, and then they're on the hunt for fresh material that will have come down from storms in winter.
So I'd like to show you some good examples of susceptible material to Ips typographus. We've got a great example just behind us here of 2 windblown trees. It looks like these trees have been damaged during recent storms. Another thing to look out for is felling residue. Any felling residue above 8 centimetres in diameter is a prime target for Ips typographus infestation. Yeah, also another thing to look out for, snapped out tops after storm events. And this is another really great example of the type of material that Ips typographus will target and infest. Another thing to look out for is heavily declining trees. It's this one in front of us, obviously quite stressed. It has some retained foliage, but the top is starting to die back. Any dead, stressed and declining material like this is ideal for Ips typographus infestation. So constantly look out for any stressed, dead and declining material from your woodland. Remove that material as soon as possible by chipping or burning, and this will significantly reduce the likelihood that Ips typographus will find its way into your spruce.
We use various methods of surveillance in order to find these outbreak sites. Using aerial surveillance, we have a network of pheromone traps set up across the country which monitors beetle populations and advises ground surveillance. We also have the movement and felling authorization process within the demarcated area. When a new outbreak site is found, eradication measures are rapidly implemented to prevent the spread of this pest. Alongside these eradication and surveillance measures that we have in place, we need woodland owners and managers to be vigilant for signs of this pest. If you think you've seen signs and symptoms that we've highlighted in this video, then please report it through Tree Alert. Join the fight by scanning the QR code on screen now.